Hi, Opal Court family. We as a whole group want to take some time to say hello and want to remind you that we are here and we are available for your child's healthcare needs. We also want you to be safe during this tough time and continue maintaining social distancing. We continue to see all infants and toddlers less than 2 years of age for their well-child visits, and we are strongly advocating for the vaccines to be given on the scheduled time. We're also advocating use of telehealth as much as possible for all other visits. If you have been to our office recently, we have incorporated some changes in our office.
In light of COVID-19, just like everyone, our office is also adjusting to safely fit in the needs of our patients during this unprecedented time.
Our nurses are diligently triaging all the phone calls and encouraging telehealth sick visits as opposed to an in-office appointment.
We can look at your child and talk to you face to face and assess your child's medical needs. We can then decide if we need to bring in your child for further evaluation.
We have arranged for a separate sick entrance from the side of the building for those patients who are coming in for sick appointments.
Instead of waiting in the waiting room, they are immediately guided through the sick entrance, where the nurse promptly meets them and takes them to the designated sick area in the office.
That's right, we now have an extra measure of protection in place.
We have one side of the office with rooms set aside for our well child visits and another side of the office with rooms for our sick appointments.
As recommended by the CDC, we are requesting all of our patients and the caregivers coming to our office, whether it be for sick or well visits, to wear masks at all times. This helps prevent the spread of the virus through asymptomatic vectors.
Likewise, every staff member at Opal Court Pediatrics not only wears a mask for the entirety of their shift, but also have their temperatures taken randomly throughout their workday.
We are limiting and staggering the appointment slots between well visits and televisits so that the social distancing, or more appropriately called physical distancing, can be maintained at all times.
We want to let you know that after each and every appointment, our nurses rigorously wipe down and clean all the surfaces in the room, including but not limited to tables, doorknobs, seats, sinks, and towel holders before the next patient is brought back into the room.
We recognize that this is a very stressful time for our patients of all ages and their families.
We want to encourage you and remind you that this pandemic is temporary and will not last forever.
But in the meantime, we need to be a source of encouragement and support for our kids.
Try to keep the young children's routines as normal as you can.
Take this time at home with your families to do something creative.
Turn the electronics off for a little while, play some board games, play some puzzles, watch some TV shows together as a family, and create new games.
Make your own special moments to cherish for a long time.
Remember, this too shall pass.
But until then, we will continue to be here, doing our part in providing safe, medically appropriate, quality health care for your children.
Because at Opal Court Pediatrics, we care.
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 We care.